You don't need a car to be at Dubai Expo 2020. You see, they provide free bus transportation, which is available on all Emirates. It took roughly 3 hours for my journey, so I did what I had to do: sleep. I arrive at the opportunity station and get to see some souvenirs, and don't forget to purchase your own passport, for the full Expo experience. How much for the passport?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to Dubai Expo 2020. Second stop is Iraq. Thank you. Second stop is Iraq. Finished.